I'm with Ayurveda Yoga Academy in Daegu, South Korea. Today, I wanted to share with you a simple breathing technique that you can use anywhere, at any time, just becoming aware of your breath. So, anytime throughout the day when you start to feel anxious or you need something to help you feel a little bit more relaxed, you can try this. And the technique is just when you inhale, putting a name to your inhale. And when you exhale, just becoming aware of your exhale. And it can be a little easier if you put a name to it. Inhale, exhale. And you don't have to say anything out loud, just in your head. And slowly you can become more and more aware of how you're breathing. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I feel like it's a pretty accurate representation of what actually goes on in my mind when I sit down to try and meditate. So anyways, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, here we go. Gonna sit down and do some meditation. How should I sit? Should I cross my legs? Is this foot up okay? Okay, should I come all the way into lotus pose? Okay, let me try. That kind of hurts my knee. Okay, got it. Now, straighten your spine. Why is it so hard to straighten my spine? Maybe I should sit on a cushion. Yeah, okay, that's better. Now, relax your shoulders. Why can't my shoulders relax? Why am I the most anxious person in the whole world? Should I keep my eyes open or closed? Wow, I'm hungry. What was the last thing I ate? Bagels. Okay, focus, Amy. Inhale, exhale. My legs are cramping up. Should I change my posture? Okay, but just this once. Okay, now relax. Inhale. Seriously, why does it feel like relaxing my shoulders is impossible? What should I make for dinner tonight? Focus. Inhale. Exhale. I have some tortillas in the fridge. That would be good with inhale. Exhale. Inhale. How long have I been clenching my jaw? Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. I wonder what my sister's doing in New York right now. That job must be so hard. I hope my family is safe. What if, inhale, exhale. What if someone in my family gets corona? My grandma's 87. Are they being careful? Inhale, exhale. Inhale. What if, okay, stop making up stories. Focus on your breath. But what if, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Making up stories is not really helpful. Inhale, exhale. I'm so lucky to be surrounded by good people. Inhale, exhale. I'm very thankful for everything that I have. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Wow, this is getting easier. But I still have to focus. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale.